Hi students, in this video we are going to walk through how to use the dictation tool that is available on the Chromebook. This tool, as I am showing it in this video, will only work on a Chromebook. In order to turn on dictation, you simply need to click on the time, select accessibility, and then click to toggle on dictation with the green check mark. Once you have done this, what you will need to do is select dictation, and you'll need to be clicked wherever you want to type. So if I were trying to search Wikipedia and I now want to search for someone like Clara Barton, I would click dictation, Clara Barton, and it will toggle on and off. Dictation should work in most aspects of web pages, but I cannot guarantee that it will work in every single web page where you want to enter text. If you happen to be typing within a Google Doc, while the dictation tool should still work, Google actually has its own voice typing tool available, and this may be better if used within a Google Doc. In order to use that, you would pull open your Google Doc and you would select Insert. You would select Tools, select Voice Typing, or use Control-Shift-S, and then you would click on this to speak. We're going to allow the microphone. We click on this to speak, period. I want to type another sentence, exclamation point. And you would be able to use this to type. You will need to go back and correct things so that the microphone doesn't correctly write on your page. If at any point you need to turn off dictation, you can simply click on the time, select accessibility, and then toggle off dictation.